Students, we will now start with exercise 17 of vulgar fraction class 6. Now in this chapter you will get to see sums which you have never done before in fractions. So observe how to do the sums carefully, and please while watching the videos try to copy it down as well in the classwork copy. First understand and do these sums. Now this is exercise 17, sum number 3 I have copied down. It looks like 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So in each and every stage you can see fractions. For example, 1 is a whole number plus, what is the fractional number? 1 is added to 1 by, this entire thing is the denominator now. 1 minus 1 by, again the entire thing is the denominator. So how will you solve these types of sums? Now for solving these type of sums, we start from the down portion. We start solving from the down. That means what you have, 2 plus 2 by 3. So this part you know how to solve it. So you will solve and slowly we will simplify such a big sum into a very simple answer. So first step, you will write everything same till here, but only the last or the what is given at the down, that part you have to solve. So you can solve it over here. 2 plus 2 by 3 means the LCM is 3. Here you don't have anything, means 1. Now you compare 1 3s are 3. That 3 if you multiply with 2 it gives you 6. Plus 3 1s are 3. That 1 if you multiply with 2 it gives you 2. So it will be 8 by 3. So the simplified answer of this entire thing is 8 by 3. So instead of writing this, you will just write the answer that you got after solving in the next step. Now, what will be the next step? Now what you have in the downmost segment, 1 by 8 by 3. So 1 by any number, you know that we change it to the reciprocal. So we will write the entire thing same. We will only change this entire part. 1 by 8 by 3 means reciprocal only 3 by 8 equal to. Now what you have in the downmost part, you have 1 minus 3 by 8. So you have to solve this part only. So 1 minus 3 by 8 means LCM is 8. So it is coming 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is coming at the end. So the next step I am mentioning over here, 1 plus 1 by 5 by 8. Now the next step will be, again you got 1 by anything. So 1 by any fractional number means just the reciprocal. So instead of 5 by 8, this entire thing you can write 8 by 5. So at the end what you have, only 1 plus 8 by 5. So you can solve it. The LCM is 5. Here you have only 1. So 1 5. So gives you 5. 5 1s are plus 5 1s are 5. 1 plus 1 8s are 8. So the answer is 13 by 5, which is an improper fraction, and you change it into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10, remaining is 3 by 5. So 2 3 by 5 is the answer. The question is very easy, but only what is required, how you solve the thing. We will always start from the down portion, start solving whatever is given. Then next step will be simplified. If you get 1 by anything, you will solve it, simplify. 1 by any fractional number is just the reciprocal, and each step is formed by solving the lower end of the sum, and slowly it is getting simplified to derive a simplest answer like 2 3 by 5.